Hey, welcome back to part 2. It's the next day. I did get the inside of it done, everything but the sealer that's on it, so I'm getting ready to do the full panel part of the dope. So let me show you where we at. I'm kind of digging it. Hang on. All right, there we go. So the inside panel's done. You can already see that. That's looking good. We got her antiqued. We got the whole thing. There we go. So there is your before. We'll come back after one coat. And then maybe the second. I don't know. I'm thinking I might have to do 3. We'll see what happens there. All right. We got coat 1 on the door. I'm fixing to go up to the top and start coat 2 because the top of it's already dry. It's pretty warm out here. See?
It ain't that hard. Just put another second coat on it. That's what we're doing. Am I painting in my house shoes? Yes, I am. Mind your business. Alrighty. Second coat is done. Woo! We gonna let that dry. Maybe today, maybe tomorrow, I don't know, before we antique it. But I'm gonna raise this thing up and I'm gonna let it dry because I gotta clean the black rubber off the bottom. Are you gonna be able to see the white in between those panels? Yeah, when it's opening and closing. Do I care? No, I don't.
Well, I'm gonna say I ain't mad at it. So far, that's looking pretty damn good. Let's roll it up here. Hang on a second. Hopefully I won't get hit with a copyright because you can hear the eagles back there. Oh, hey, baby. I think I got a baby dragon down there. What did I do with my... Where is it? I thought I saw it. Oh, there it is. All right, let's open up the garage. See, you could probably see that white, but who cares? All right, copyright.